Welcome to my channel Art and Craft plus Education Classic.
So, we were doing newspaper report writing, and today our topic is write a newspaper report on a railway accident with the following points. So first let's write the points. The first point is 40 people killed, 240 injured. Then the date 16th March, that is the date of the incident. The next point is 4 coaches of Howrah Chennai Central Mail derailed. The next point is 2 coaches plunged into Godavari River. The next point is accident caused by the bridge in the bridge. The next point is 2 coaches partially submerged. The next point is death toll expected to rise. The next point is rescuers engaged in extricating the trapped passengers in the coaches. The next point is injured immediately sent to the hospital. The next point is rescuers recovered 12 bodies, 3 women, 2 children. The next point is local people, fire brigade, rescued around 100 passengers. The next point is railway authorities ear dashed and expressed deep grief. So these are the points, and let's write the report using these points. So first give the heading 40 killed in train accident. Underline it. Then write by a staff reporter. You can write this by a staff reporter at the end of your report too. Now start writing the report. Give the place Chennai, the date of publication of the report 17th March. So write MAR.17. And start writing the report. Around 40 people were killed and 240 injured. Many of them in a critical condition in a train accident at the Havelock Bridge. Full stop. Then write, the accident occurred on the date 16th March when 4 coaches of Howrah-Chennai Mail derailed on a bridge with 2 coaches plunging into Godavari River. Then write, according to special sources, comma, the accident caused by a bridge in the bridge, full stop. Then write, 2 coaches were partially submerged in the river, full stop. Then write, the rescuers were engaged in extricating the passengers who were trapped in the coaches, full stop. Then write the next point, the injured passengers were immediately sent to the nearby hospitals. Full stop. The rescue team, the next point, the rescue team had recovered 12 bodies, including 3 women and 2 children. Then write the next point. Local people, fire brigade, and the emergency service team rushed to the spot and rescued around 100 passengers. Then write the last point. The railway authorities air dashed to the accident site and expressed deep grief at the loss of life. So here the newspaper report of a railway accident is ready. If you like the video, like, share, comment and subscribe our channel.